Good morning, everyone. Chuck's here, charging up a battery for my camera. Yes, I'm actually going to do some proper work with a proper camera soon, not with this just my phone. Picked up a couple of batteries today. These ones here, never used them before, never heard of the brand, so I'm going to pull them apart in a second. I pulled these out of another Dyson pack, different sort of Dyson pack. One of the guys is talking to me about how these things are hard to pull apart. Well, this is an older version which I'd never seen before. The original BMSs are these ones here that I've got in my hand, but the other one's totally different, and I don't know whether I've got one sitting here at the moment. Yeah, there it is there. So if I can focus in on that, it's, yeah, if you want to have a look at that. And it comes in a pack like that instead of the newer version, which now I cut so that I don't hit the fuse, the temperature, not the fuse, the temperature thing. This one, guess what? The older versions didn't have a temperature sensor on it, so it's nowhere near as good as the new ones. The voltages on these are only 0.5, so I'm going to have to charge these with the charger over in the corner, which is my normal, just my voltage charger, which I usually use 2 neodymium magnets either side of it and just put so I just use a couple of these neodymium magnets that I get out of hard drives. Handy if you can get them. So there's one there, so there's actually 2 there, but they're jammed together. Okay, we'll put that there. So just join one on and join one to the other side and just clip the clips on it and charge it up. So that's how I charge my batteries over in the corner, and we'll pull those apart. Now I did pick up one other pack which I thought was quite interesting. I've just charged the packs up now, and this is a Dell. The actual capacity of the cells was 90 watt hours. Now I was pulling it apart and I found that this is one of the connections, and they've doubled up the plating, welded it together and doubled it up, because it's putting out that much current. Now in those packs, which I'll give you the name of the pack in a second, the pack is a Dell type 4M529. 4M529, guys. I'll put it up on the screen hopefully. And they come with these. So they were in really good nick for what it was. So yeah, out of a laptop, but I'm going to pull these apart now. I'm going to speed it up a bit, see if I can get it done in quick time. This recycle yard, I pick up all kinds of things. This is a phone. I think it's a 7. It's the battery's exploded, and if you take that off carefully, that's your charging coil. I've got to try and pull that out. So if anyone wants to leave me a message under there about how they pull those apart, great. I have pulled them apart before, but I haven't pulled apart the newer ones. Now at the moment I'm just picking up a lot of different stuff. I've got to finish off a couple of videos and put them up. I've been away for a couple of weeks, so I didn't put anything up. I think I put one up while I was away. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to get onto these. This is I think it's a T-Tank, but no. I think. 20 cells.